Having trouble getting your DoorDash Dasher app to show up on CarPlay? There are several common reasons why this happens. Understanding these issues will help you get back on the road quickly. CarPlay integration allows you to access your Dasher app directly from your vehicle's infotainment system, making deliveries safer and more efficient. First, ensure your iPhone is running iOS 12.0 or later. However, iOS 15 or newer is recommended for optimal performance and compatibility with the latest CarPlay features. Your vehicle or aftermarket system must be compatible with Apple CarPlay. Not all vehicles support CarPlay, and aftermarket systems need proper Apple certification to work correctly. The issues typically fall into three main categories. Permission problems account for 60% of cases, where the app isn't properly authorized for CarPlay. Cable and connection issues make up 25% of problems. Software compatibility issues represent the remaining 15%. Cable problems are surprisingly common. Always use Apple-certified Lightning cables, as cheap alternatives often fail. Check for physical damage, try different USB ports in your vehicle, and ensure connectors are clean and free of debris. These are the main reasons why your Dasher app might not appear on CarPlay. In the next section, we'll walk through specific troubleshooting steps to resolve each of these issues and get your app working properly. First, we need to check your iPhone's CarPlay settings. Navigate to Settings, then General, then CarPlay. Select your car and tap Customize. Next, let's check your cable connection. Use only Apple-certified Lightning cables, as third-party cables often cause connectivity issues. Test different USB ports in your vehicle, as some ports may not support CarPlay. For wireless CarPlay users, Bluetooth connection issues are common. Open Control Center and turn Bluetooth off, then back on. If problems persist, forget your car's Bluetooth pairing and reconnect from scratch. Outdated software is a major cause of CarPlay issues. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version through Settings, then update the Dasher app through the App Store. Both updates often resolve compatibility problems. If basic steps don't work, try advanced troubleshooting. Reset your network settings, which clears all Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. Contact your vehicle manufacturer for firmware updates, as outdated car software can block CarPlay functionality. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps resolves most CarPlay connectivity issues. Start with permissions and cables, then move to software updates and advanced options if needed.